Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. What is VPS and how to use it? A virtual private server, VPS, is a type of hosting service that allows users to have their own virtual private server within a shared hosting environment. It is a cost-effective alternative to dedicated hosting, where users can have full control over their hosting environment without the high costs associated with dedicated servers. In this article, we will discuss what VPS is, how it works, and how to use it effectively. What is VPS? A VPS is a virtualized server that runs its own operating system and software, but shares the same physical hardware resources as other virtual servers. This means that users have the freedom to configure their server environment to their specific needs, including installing custom software, managing server settings, and having root access to the server. When you sign up for a VPS hosting plan, you are essentially renting a portion of a physical server that has been divided into multiple virtual servers. Each VPS runs its own copy of the operating system and has its own allocated resources, such as CPU, RAM, and storage. How does VPS work? A VPS works by virtualizing a physical server into multiple virtual servers, each with its own operating system and software environment. The virtualization process allows the hosting provider to create multiple isolated virtual servers on a single physical server, providing users with the benefits of a dedicated server at a fraction of the cost. When you sign up for a VPS hosting plan, you are given access to a control panel where you can manage your server. From the control panel, you can install and manage software, configure server settings, and monitor your server's performance. VPS hosting typically comes in two forms, managed and unmanaged. Managed VPS hosting means that the hosting provider takes care of server maintenance, updates, and security, while unmanaged VPS hosting requires users to take care of these tasks themselves. How to use VPS effectively? To use a VPS effectively, it is important to have some technical knowledge, or at least be willing to learn. Here are some tips for using a VPS effectively. Choose the right hosting plan. When selecting a VPS hosting plan, it's important to choose a plan that suits your needs in terms of RAM, storage, and bandwidth. Make sure to read the hosting provider's terms and conditions carefully, as some providers may limit certain activities or impose restrictions on server usage. Configure server settings. Once you have set up your VPS, you will need to configure your server settings to suit your needs. This may include configuring your firewall, setting up backups, and optimizing your server for performance. Install software. Installing software on your VPS is a simple process that can be done through the control panel. You can install popular applications such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal with just a few clicks. Monitor server performance. Monitoring your server's performance is important to ensure that your website or application is running smoothly. You can use monitoring tools such as Nagios, Zabbix, or Cacti to track your server's CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. Backup your data. Regular backups of your server data are essential to ensure that you can restore your server in case of a disaster. You can use tools such as cPanel or Plesk to create automated backups of your data. Conclusion: VPS hosting is a cost-effective solution for users who need full control over their hosting environment without the high costs associated with dedicated servers. By choosing the right hosting plan, configuring server settings, installing software, monitoring server performance, and backing up your data regularly, you can use your VPS effectively and ensure that your website or application runs smoothly.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.